Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bintang, and today I will be talking about the formation of black holes. So, what are they exactly? They're these things that are basically invisible monsters in space, where gravity is so insane that even light cannot escape. That's why they're black, obviously, but also terrifying and fascinating at the same time. So, how do they form? First, picture a massive star, like way bigger than our sun, maybe 10, 20, even 50 times the mass. For millions of years, it is burning fuel in its core, fusing hydrogen into helium, producing energy that pushes outward, keeping the star from collapsing under its own gravity. It is basically a battle between gravity pulling in and nuclear fusion pushing out. But stars can't burn forever. Eventually, they run out of fuel. The outward pressure drops, and gravity suddenly takes over like an unstoppable vacuum. The core collapses in on itself in a fraction of a second. Depending on how massive the star was, the collapse can create a super dense neutron star, or if the star is huge enough, it forms a black hole. Basically, a spot in space with such a crazy gravitational pull that the rules of physics start to look weird. Now, around this core, gravity doesn't just pull, it warps spacetime itself. Imagine putting a bowling ball on a trampoline. The trampoline dips, right? That's how mass warps space. This is where Einstein's general theory of relativity comes in. He explained that gravity isn't just a force pushing objects or pulling objects. It is the way mass bends space-time itself. Just like what I mentioned before, a black hole is like a bowling ball so massive it tears a hole in the trampoline. That's the mind-bending part. Around a black hole, space and time are literally stretched and twisted. The point of no return around a black hole is called the event horizon. When you cross it, you're gone. Light, matter, nothing escapes. But here's the cool part. As stuff spirals into a black hole, gas, dust, and stars heats up and glows in X-rays, sometimes shining brighter than the entire galaxy. This is how we spot black holes even though we can't see them directly. Some black holes spin, which drags space-time around them like honey on a spinning spoon, and others don't. The spinning ones can even create jets of energy shooting out into space, basically cosmic fireworks. And, if you want to get really wild, Stephen Hawking predicted that black holes can slowly leak energy over billions of years, called the Hawking radiation. So yeah, black holes are like the ultimate cosmic heavyweights. They're super dense, they warp space and time, they bend physics in ways that blow your mind. Well, they're terrifying, mysterious, and absolutely mesmerizing, and they teach us how crazy and beautiful our universe really is. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.